Hello, YouTube. It's me, Chef Jamaal Johnson, and I am with Twisted Cuisine. Thank you, and welcome to my show where we look on Amazon, find grocery items, and we rate them for you. This is our very first episode, and we want you to come along with us, watch what I do. Random ingredients, random items. We're just going to test them out and see if they're any good, and we want you to watch. We want you to throw in some comments. But before you do anything, make sure you click on that like button, slap that subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything that we rate. Always check the links below for links to these items. And let's get twisted. So our first product that we're testing out, Emily's Original Hot Sauces. Yes, we are in Texas. And so every now and then I'm gonna do something local just to kind of give Texas a little shout out and for some of their products. Emily's Original is located in San Antonio, Texas. I got these three hot sauces for $27.99. There's the Chili de Arbol. It's imagine if enchilada sauce had a very spicy baby. We have this jalapeno, comes in with a bang but plays well with others. And we have the habanero sauce, a sweet and savory kick in the mouth. So yeah, I'm gonna get a sweet and savory kick in the mouth. I'm gonna come in and with a bang and play well with others. And I'm also gonna have a very spicy baby with enchilada sauce. So we're gonna try these sauces out and see what we think and let you know what we think. Bread bud. All right, so I cut my bread and we tried the three sauces on top of little baguettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these. The first one I'm gonna try is the Chili de Arbol. And we just wanna see if we're getting good value for our money with these sauces. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try. It's spicy. Yep. Spicy baby. Oh, our camera guy's laughing at me. But I bet he can't handle this heat. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that's good. I think I got a little here. Okay. All right, so if that's any introduction to how this is gonna go, this might be a little bit bad, but I'm committed to do this for you. Let's go. All right, so next. Did you pause it? Or are we still filming? Okay, so we finished our first one. Got a lot of flavor there. There's some heat in there, but it is flavorful. You probably want to use a lot less on your pieces of bread or whatever you eat it on, but it is pretty good. So let's just cut the chase. I'm gonna go ahead and try this habanero. I'm scared, y'all. Pray for me. Okay. It's a lot more balanced. It has the jalapeno flavor. Oh, there we go. It has the jalapeno flavor, but it's balanced. It's not nearly as hot. It's like you think it's gonna get hot, but then it balances out really well. It has a really good finish. I'm talking like it's a wine, but it's a hot sauce. Okay, our last one is the jalapeno sauce. It's green sauce, 3 dots. I don't know where it's gonna leave me in the midst of the spicy chili de arbol and the habanero, but let's dig in. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, all in all, after tasting all three sauces, I don't know if all three are worth it. The first sauce, I would say definitely. The chili de arbol, pretty good sauce. This has a good flavor. You don't need a lot. It's going to last you a long time. I don't know about the other two. So altogether, I would probably give the 3-pack a thumbs down. But the sauce by itself, yes, I do like the sauce. The other two, Okay, so another product we're doing is we're reviewing a restaurant-owned product. We can be kind of going around in that world too. Today's product is Red Robin Signature Blend Keep Shaking Seasoning. Yes, 4-ounce container, a jar, container. And we're gonna go ahead and see if it's any good. See if it's worth my $5.93. It's all good. Screaming, they're singing to me. It's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. I was making vodka sauce, and you know what happens when you mix liquor and fire, kids? Molotov cocktail. Yeah, focus. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, look at how crispy and brown that is. Yes, it's lovely. And as I enter this into my crisp crunch. Yes. So this is another. I think we got a winner. This sauce is pretty good. I said sauce. It's not a sauce. This seasoning is pretty good. It has a combination of the salt. There's sugar in there, there's tomato, garlic, onion. There's some good things in there. For $5.93, I think you can spare some. I believe that they have these at the tables. I've been to Red Robin a couple times myself. I had some pretty good burgers. That's not my #1 place, but I know I've seen the seasonings on the tables, and you know they have it where you can put them on your French fries. I can't imagine if you could put this on your own burger. I don't know if they're using it on the burgers. Again, it's not my spot. No, I'm not hating on Red Robin, but just not my spot for burgers, sorry. But it is my spot for seasoning. $5.93 is pretty good for this seasoning. You do have to use a lot. There's not a lot of sodium. but I suggest you get it. If you want, click on the link below and it'll take you right to Red Robin. Momofuku. Momofuku sells their ramen on Amazon. It is restaurant style ramen. So this box here, see this box right at hold? $47.99. Now, if you go out and you get ramen, you're probably gonna spend nearly $15 to $20 on your ramen, I'd imagine, after you get all the good fixings and everything else. But they promise that you can make the ramen restaurant quality at home. So there's 3 in a box. Let's open her up and see what we got. Yeah. Sorry, ladies, I'm taking a long time to open the box. All right, so the box is good quality. I promise I'll work out. Good, there we go. Let's go. All right. Woo. So we have 3 different styles of ramen. Holy crap. They're by the pack. So there's a pack of 5. Pack of 5 in each bag. So we have the tingly, chili, wavy noodles. We have the spicy soy noodles. Hold with one hand. And we have the soy and scallion noodles. Okay, so what we'll be cooking, I keep saying we. I'll be cooking. He's holding the camera. I'll be cooking these 3 different ramens: the spicy soy, the soy and garlic, no, the soy and scallion, and the third one, twisted, tingly chili noodles. So let's go ahead and get our ramen together. We can see what it tastes and see if it really delivers on the restaurant quality that it claims. David Chang, he's one of my favorite chefs. I've never been to his restaurant. I would love to try it. And I want to love this product, but I'm gonna keep it true for my people. See if we get all 3 eggs on there. Yeah. Ice bath. These are the soy and scallion. And these are the spicy soy. Get in there. I wonder if I should have broke them up. How about these noodles, y'all? How about these noodles, y'all? How about these are the soy and scallion noodles from Momofuku that I made all by myself. Forgive me on the egg, I messed up. I overcooked my egg a little bit, which means it's not gonna be any good, but I'm gonna taste these, dig into these, and see how great these taste. Soy and scallion. Much better than top ramen. All right, those are good noodles. Let me now try the soy and spicy noodles. We're gonna go ahead and give this one a try. I've been waiting to try this. So hot. And look at those noodles. I mean, just look at the noodle. Noodle looks really good. Yeah. Taste it. So the spicy soy is really good. I like that all by itself. The sauce is really good. Nice little kick. Nothing like that chili de arbol sauce, but has a nice little kick to it. Good flavor. Okay, last but not least, our nice tingly chili wavy noodles. We'll go ahead and try these. These are a little bit different noodles. These required to be cooked a little bit longer, which is why you saw me cook them separately in the video, but they smell amazing. Man, they smell really good. That's really good. That is really good. Okay, I'm a big fan of these tingly chili wavy noodles. These are very delicious. So I did enjoy these noodles. Yes, they're much better than top ramen. They're gorgeous. They have a good mouthfeel. I just want to use the word mouthfeel, y'all. The mouthfeel on these noodles are amazing. So I do suggest you get them. $47.99 for a 3-pack. Maybe you just try to get one flavor. That is probably a third of the cost. Thinking maybe $15 for a 5-pack. Not bad at all. They ship them in a nice little box. I have way too many. If you want to take them off my hands, send me a comment. I might send you the noodles. Okay, YouTube, thanks again for joining me in my channel. Again, we're making Amazon great just by trying everything out. So see what we try next time. Again, if you haven't, give us a like, subscribe so you can check these shows out and many other types of shows. And just keep watching. I love ya. Bye-bye.
Love ya.
Yeah, because when you slurp it, it kind of hits you in the face. Okay. All right. A little bit too much in there. A little bit too hot.
You keeping the lights on in the back?
Yeah. Let's not show
Is that the problem?